All right, my beauty, so I did my brows. Now I'm going to put some concealer on my lid because I'm going to wear a little eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take a brush and just sweep it across my lid, blend it in like so. So we're going to go in with this nude palette. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my trusty dusty. This is Camel, and it's number 5. It is from Bobbi Brown. And this is always one of the shadows that I use to place in my crease. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to place that in the crease. I love the way that looks. I usually wear it just by itself and just put like a inner corner highlight, put some lashes on or some good mascara that lengthens, and I'm out the door. But right now I am gonna do the entire eye, and I don't even spend too much time. I don't have time to be doing all that extra stuff, so that's all I'm gonna do. I just sweeped it in my crease and called it a day. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just taking like random brushes, and I'm gonna go in with this nude palette from Huda Beauty. Let me show y'all. And these are the colors. And today I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It is called Raw. I think I did a tutorial doing this, and I'm just gonna place that on the entire lid like so. I'm gonna use this mirror so that I can see closer. And I have big eyes, so I really do need a bigger brush. I just didn't reach for it. And I'm going to just apply that to the entire lid, y'all. Hopefully I can bang out some videos for you guys, because I've been away for a couple of days. Been working, tired. Sometimes when I come on my menstrual and I'm not on right as of yet, I find myself sleepy. For some reason, it has me sleepy. So now I'm just gonna blend that out really good. Back and forth, windshield wiper motions. Like so. You can actually wear it like that. And I like that camo because it gives it that orange tone. It's not orange, but just a lighter brown. That works really well with this color. Okay, so the next thing that I do is, this is like my favorite. I've been using this for years. This is the NYX glitter primer. And I'm going to take that on my ring finger like so. I'm going to dab it on my ring finger, and I'm just going to place it in the middle, in the center, like so, just around where I'm going to actually apply some more eyeshadow, like a glitter eyeshadow. Y'all see. And this is the way I like to wear my eyeshadow when I do wear the glitter look. Okay, so let me get another brush. And we are gonna go in with this cute little like gold color. It is called Crave. So I'm gonna apply that to my brush. I should spray my brush. Y'all, I still have this Vanity Planet refrigerator that I purchased. So far, so good. I mean, it's decent. Let's spray this brush. Yeah, and the stuff is cold. It's not like freezing cold like your refrigerator at home, but it does chill your products. You don't want your products to be too cold, because you don't want like, I'm not into science that well, but I know you don't want to have it too cold, because then it closes your pores and won't allow, you know, your pores to breathe. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so we're gonna place that on top. I'm just gonna go like in a circular motion. For some reason I want to go to IKEA and we ain't been yet. And he found something else for his little, as they say, man cave to he wanted that it's like a cute little etagere. It's not an etagere, it's like a case, a glass case. He wanted that for his little man cave, but I wanted it too for like the dining room area. But now I done scratched that off my list, and he did too. He put something else down there. And I want something else for the dining room. So when I get it, I'll show y'all. So that's what I do to my eyes, right? I just put it like in the center. I dab it in the center like this. And I try to bring it out just a little bit so I won't be looking crazy. Let me see. Just a little bit on each side. Okay, so it should look like that. I'm gonna take this brush that I put that darker color on, and I'm gonna just sweep it so that it won't lose its color on each side. Blend it in like that. Okay, then I'm gonna grab another brush. This is I don't even know. It done rubbed off, y'all. So now I'm gonna go in with this like a purpley color, and you know, just put it on the outer. So I'm just putting on some eyelash mascara. My friend bought me this. This is called the Bold Bad Lash. Her name is T. She works at my job. Talisa. Yeah, she purchased this for me. Okay. And I'm gonna put on some lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. Y'all, I'm messing up my sweatshirt. For real, for real. Because I have this color. I put on like some red in the back, and it is messing up my sweatshirt. I hope it don't mess it up. Look, the red is getting on there. I need to put this in the washer. Okay, so which eyeshadow, okay, so I bought 4 lashes, and I'm not sure which ones I should put on. These are the number 1. These are I Envy. These are the same. Then I have these. They're next to it. 102s. Like that. I think it's no, it's actually I02. And then I purchased these. These are kind of cute, but I don't think I want to wear those. So it's between these 3. They look the same. I'm gonna go with these lashes. So the glue that I'm using is from the House of Lashes. I've seen some at the beauty supply store that was even better, but I can't remember the name of it. I don't have my work bag with me. So if I do find it, I'll put it on the screen. And I like that even better than the House of Lashes, because it just seems like it just sucks it in and sticks. With this one, you gotta wait, fan it and whatnot. But overall, and then my supervisor, she gave me these. One of my supervisors, she gave me these cute little stud earrings. Okay, so let's put these lashes on. And I don't like the way that is. I'm gonna bring it over. Okay, I really like these lashes. They're cute. I like that wispy look at the end. Yeah, I like that wispy look. So I gotta remember these lashes so that when I go to the beauty supply store, I can pick up some more. So this is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas that I'm gonna put on my face for my foundation. So I'm thinking about wearing that Morphe, and I noticed with this Morphe foundation that I did a video on. I actually did a demo featuring the foundation. I'm gonna probably put it on today. I really want to wear something else, but it does get a little oily if you don't set it. So I'm going to shake it up really good. I usually use 2 pumps. So this is the Morphe brush. I love this brush. So I'm going to warm it up and just apply it to my face. I should have color correct because it doesn't really cover everything, although it says it's medium to full coverage. It doesn't cover. Alright, this is Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind. And we're just going to apply that to the under eye area, like so. Yeah, what's up? I'll be finishing this in a few minutes. Okay, now we're going to go in with this powder and set it. Now I'm going to take this Ruby Kisses. This is called Black Radiance, and it's the Soft Focus Finishing Powder. This is in Golden Almond. It's a finishing powder. And I'm going to get a brush like this and just sweep it on the eye like this. It kind of like brightens up the under eye a little bit. And I'm going to take a brush, like a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to sweep it off. A little bit of Sephora. This is the Micro Smooth Powder. It looks like that. I'm in the shade Tan, and I just take the same brush and just go along the face because I want to make sure that, I don't know, it's matte, it's set. Then we're going to use some of this just to bronze up just a little bit. Then we have some we have some NARS. This is Lovejoy. Place it on my cheeks. I'm going to use this one from, who is this? It's called Jet Girl, and it's from Marc Jacobs. I forgot I had this, and it was actually in this box right here. So I'm going to put that on. I don't use it much because it has like the peachy tones to it, and that's not something that I want to use all the time. So I'm just grabbing a brush and applying it like so. So I sharpen it. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of this. These are some lippies that they sent me, some lip glosses. I love them. And they are from New Evolution. Make sure I'm saying it right. Yes, New Evolution. They are bomb. These lip glosses are beautiful, you guys. I love them. Okay, so shake it a little bit. So hopefully it'll spray out. It's spraying out kind of wet because there isn't hardly any in here. But it's okay. And I'm going to take the sponge and just like pat it. Hey my love, so I am back and this is the final makeup look that I have going on. I just did a hair video sharing with you all how I colored my hair, so if you want to see that and see how I wash, shampoo, condition, and all that good stuff, stay tuned for that vlog. It should be coming out shortly. Yeah, I like it. All right, I see y'all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to your girl's channel. If you are new to this video, welcome to my channel, y'all, and subscribe. That's the only way you'll see future uploads from your girl. All right, talk to you. Bye.